this is an internal matter that may
No,
be
it's
taken
not.
up with the Committee on Appropriations
No, it's
separately. So
Madam
we would,
Chair, starting Wednesday, tatanungin natin yung mga departamento, paano nila ginastos yung budget nila. Paano natin sila tatanungin kung paano nila ginastos yung budget nila kung hindi natin alam paano sila nabawasan at paano sila nadagdagan.
we
So
will be able to scrutinize the performance of the different agencies as well as the utilization of the different line items based on the 2025 performance.
No.
So this does not preclude us from doing that scrutiny.
Meron ba o wala?
We would have to look into the records.
How
May
can-
I ask exactly what you are asking for?
The small committee report of the 2025 budget. Let us just ask the COMSEC kung meron o wala. Kung meron, why was it not filed sa archives based on our rules 15 days after? So meron ba o wala? Simple. That's not acceptable. This is public records. Pareho pa naman yung COMSEC natin. At yan dapat linalagay sa archives. Do I have to read the rules again regarding archives of all documents?
The Honorable Toby Chanco from the Independent Bloc.
Yes, Madam Chair. The highlight of the President's SONA was nung sinabi na mahiya naman kayo, initiative, errata for the boys SOP. So ang initiative at errata ay nanggagaling po yan sa Kongreso. Kaya nga medyo nahirapan si Sec. Ralph na sagutin kung paano nabawasan yung iba dahil talagang Kongreso po may alam yan. At dalawang pagkakataon po yan, sa BICAM at sa small committee. So I would like to ask the Chair to furnish all of the members the signed report of the small committee for 2025. Wait, bakit gumagalaw yung oras ko? Hindi naman kasama yung sagot.
Thank you very much, Representative Chanco. The request will be put under consideration and we will let you know if it's possible to...
No. Madam Chair, why should it be put under consideration? This is of public record. This is in accordance with our rules. That all committee reports must be given to all members. And that shouldn't be taken against my time because you're telling me that, teka, balik natin yung oras ko kasi sinasabi na that will be taken into consideration. It should not be taken into consideration. Madam Chair, allow me to read this, no? Declaration of Principles and Policies. Section number 2 of our rules. Public office is a public trust. The House of Representatives and every member thereof are accountable to the people at all times. I will not read the ending portion. Number 3, efficient and effective access to and dissemination of appropriate and accurate information are imperative in lawmaking. So why should it be taken into consideration, Madam Chair?
This representation was not the appropriations chair at the time. So the person who's covering the jurisdiction of that particular document, that is a document within the purview of the 19th Congress. Given that we've now crossed over to the 20th Congress, we would need to consider that request.
Madam Chair, that's not acceptable. This is public records. Pareho pa naman yung COMSEC natin. At yan dapat linalagay sa archives. Do I have to read the rules again regarding archives of all documents? So may ang daming violation, Madam Chair. Walang record, hindi binigay. Ngayon, it's not readily available. Walang record sa archives. Ano to, sikreto?
Again, this representation was not the
let's ask the
appropriations
committee
chair.
Let's ask
at
the
the
committee
time.
secretary, where are the signed records of the 2025 small committee report? Madam Chair, simple lang to. Kung electronic copy, dapat lahat may electronic copy. So dapat i-email sa amin lahat within 5 minutes, di ba?
Meeting suspended. As a response to the Honorable Chanco, we will look into the records and
Madam-
look at the
Madam Chair.
particular item. The subject matter of today's hearing is the briefing on the 2026 budget. So this is an internal matter that may
No,
be
it's
taken
not.
up with the Committee on Appropriations
No, it's
separately. So
Madam
we would-
Chair, Madam Chair, starting Wednesday, tatanungin natin yung mga departamento, paano nila ginastos yung budget nila. Paano natin sila tatanungin kung paano nila ginastos yung budget nila kung hindi natin alam paano sila nabawasan at paano sila nadagdagan.
We
So
will be able to scrutinize the performance of the different agencies as well as the utilization of the different line items based on the 2025 performance.
No.
So this does not preclude us from doing that scrutiny.
Meron ba o wala?
We would
Mer-
have to look into the records.
How
May
can-
I ask exactly what you are asking for?
The small committee report of the 2025 budget. Let us just ask the COMSEC kung meron o wala. Kung meron, why was it not filed sa archives based on our rules 15 days after? So meron ba o wala? Simple. Kung meron, bakit hindi na-file sa archives? Kung wala, I will let you proceed, Madam Chair. I will not hold this budget hostage. Gusto ko lang malaman, meron o wala.
The HGAB itself, the output of the small committee is already embedded into the HGAB itself. So that's the report. That's the output of the small
It's
committee.
not the report, Madam Chair. Based on our rules, each committee must come out with a report. No committee is exempted from coming out with a committee report. Please check Section 39 of Rule 9 of our rules. Kasi di ba kung meron, ang dali-dali naman, di ba wala?
So the small committee is subsumed within the Committee on Appropriations, and it is the Committee on Appropriations who's required to submit the committee report. In this case, the report and the output of the Committee on Appropriations is the HGAB.
No, it's not. The HGAB is different from a committee report. Just like any other bill, the bill is different from the committee report. There must be a committee report included to the bill. It is not one and the same.
At the point of after the committee hearings are done, the Committee on Appropriations comes out with a committee report, and then it moves to plenary, at which point we approve it, and the small committee works. So now the output of the Committee on Appropriations, once that is elevated to the plenary, is the HGAB.
No.
So there's no other committee report that needs to be furnished by the Committee on Appropriations apart from the HGAB itself.
It is not exempted from our rules, Madam Chair. Maliwanag, Section 39. Gusto niyo basahin niyo? Okay, I will ask the committee secretariat, how many meetings were held?
There were 2 meetings.
2 meetings. Did you follow, nasaan yung minutes ng meetings? Where were the meetings held? What date? Madam Chair, I can read Section 39 of our rules to make it clear that the committee report is different from the HGAB, but I don't want it to take up my time. Iba po yun eh, kasi tignan nyo yung BICAM. Di ba may BICAM report? Doon sa BICAM report, teka muna, ba't umaandar yung oras ko? Hindi pa nila natatapos yung isyung rineraise ko. Doon sa BICAM report, nakasulat, okay, yung BICAM report, pinipintasan natin. Pero yung BICAM report, may nakasulat doon kung alin yung nabawasan, alin yung nagdagdagan. Dito sa HGAB, wala tayong makita kung alin yung nabawasan, alin yung nadagdagan.
With the indulgence of Representative Chanco, so the COMSEC is currently looking into the specific request as well as the level of detail that you are requesting.
No, within 5 minutes, I need the committee report.
If we may please move on to the other questions
Yes,
while
but-
they're working on
Yes,
this.
I will. But if within 5 minutes wala yan, ibig sabihin wala yan, ngayon palang gagawa yan. Ang gusto natin na committee report is the same as the BICAM. Okay? The same as the BICAM. Nakasulat kung saan binawas, saan nadagdag. Okay, I will mention why it is very important. Okay, ito may dalawang distrito, no? At sino ang nag-introduce ng amendment? May dalawang distrito, hindi naman to kasalanan ng congressman doon sa distritong yon. Ang NEP nila is 2.530 billion. And then, pagdating sa GAA, naging 20.999 billion. Isa pa, 1.508583 billion sa NEP. Pagdating sa GAA, 20,795. So, tapos, ang pinasok lang sa BICAM dito is 5 billion and 4 billion each. So, ang napasok dun sa small committee is 13 billion, dun sa isa, yung isa 14 billion. So, sino yung nagpasok ng 13 billion na yun at saan tinanggal yun?
So, again, the small committee is subsumed within the Committee on Appropriations, and it is not required to render a
No,
separate
I
committee
did-
report. The rule that you are citing, Honorable Chanco, pertain to standing committees. And the mother committee in this case of the small committee is the Committee on Appropriations.
Yes, but did we exempt the Committee on Appropriations not to submit a committee report? No.
Again, the committee report of the Committee on Appropriations at the plenary level is the HGAB itself.
Yeah, but all meetings, dito sa ating rules, all meetings must be on record. So it's not only the committee report, dapat yung small committee na yon, meron silang report na finurnish lahat.
Again, if with the indulgence of the Honorable Chanco, the COMSEC is looking into the request, if we may move to the next question.
Okay, I will move to the next question.
Thank
so,
you very
mukhang
much.
wala talaga. Signed committee report showing ano yung binawas, saan napunta. Okay. So it's only now, Madam Chair, that you found out that there is no small committee report? Madam Chair, it's only today that you found out that there's no small committee report?
Again, Representative Chanco, I was not the chairperson of the Committee on Appropriations at time, nor was I linked to the budget deliberations or the deliberations of the small committee. So this is something that we are looking into based on your query.
Okay. So, you mentioned in a press conference that you will have a subcommittee on budget amendments to replace the small committee. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Does it mean that we will now strictly follow section 56 and 57 of our rules, that after we approve on second reading, no further amendments will be made?
Yes, that is correct.
So, lahat ng individual amendments will be tackled before approval on second reading?
All amendments of institutional nature will all be included in the version of the bill that will be approved on second reading.
No, not institutional. I'm referring to committee and individual amendments.
Technically speaking, yes, both committee and individual amendments as moved, as tackled during the period of amendments in the plenary.
So after the second reading, wala na pong babaguhin?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay. Sumunod, sino po ang mga miyembro ng small committee at paano sila pinili?
As of now, it's an ongoing discussion. It will not be small.
Oh, the
It's actually
subcommittee on
be
budget amendments.
yes. So we are looking into representatives nominated by each of the political parties, plus the party list coalition, plus members of the minority. So we are looking at least, just looking at that, at least 10 members. So,
So-
discussions are still ongoing, so I'm unable to say definitively how many the members are and who the members are.
So sinabi niyo po, political parties, majority, minority.
That is correct.
Bakit wala pong representative ang independents? Hindi pa po kami dapat tumingin din sa budget?
That could be considered. Thank you very much for pointing that out, Representative Shanko.
So is it a affirmative that the independents will be represented?
Madam Chair, point of order, Madam Chair. Kasi kanina I was asking kung ano ito, kung hearing ito o briefing. Ang sagot sa akin, briefing. Sa naririnig ko parang hearing. Because we are now discussing, things that are properly discussed in the committee itself. So, with apologies to my friend Congressman Chanco, baka maybe that can be discussed in a formal APRO meeting kasi we have our resource persons here that probably are wondering why they are listening to all of this. And so that also the briefing can proceed, Your Honor.
Yes, to my friend, of course, the respected Honorable Puno. But on Wednesday, we will ask them how they spent their funds. So I think we all also should know whether they were deducted funds or added funds before we ask them how they. Di ba po parang kahit bata, pag humingi ng allowance, bago humingi ng bagong allowance, titignan muna kung paano ginastos, di ba? So, and I'm winding up. Check Puno, Congressman Puno.
No, I am not unhappy with the questions. In fact, some of them are my own questions also. I was just observing that the ruling was that this is a briefing. So I myself have been forced to revise some of the questions I was going to ask. But thank you for your lead on this.
Okay, next. Lahat po na ba dapat digital na ngayon? Bakit wala pong soft copy ang HGAB?
Wala pa pong HGAB
Hindi.
for
Ibig sabihin
fiscal
ng
year
2025 HGAB, wala pong soft copy yan. So bakit po kaya walang soft copy ang HGAB? Kung yung NEP may soft copy na pinapublish po yung DBM, kung yung GAA na papublish po may soft copy, bakit po kaya walang soft copy yung HGAB? At sigurado po ba tayo na magkakaroon ng soft copy ang HGAB ngayong 2026 budget?
So the requirement of the transmission between the House and the Senate is for hard copies during the 19th Congress. So that's the version that was prepared by the House, because that's the requirement of the Senate in terms of the transmittal. Now, though, we are changing that, and we are now moving more towards a digital format, which will render to the members of the House.
Okay, yun lang po. So you commit that doon sa 2026 budget, meron na pong soft copy
Yes, we commit.
ng after third reading.
Yes, we commit.
Okay. So thank you po. 3 minutes na lang po, tapos na yung 5 minutes. So dapat matanggap na namin yung email ng small committee report, Madam Chair.
Again, we will revert back to you on that, Honorable Chanco. Again, the committee secretariat is looking into that. This is something that we can discuss internally. It's an internal matter of the Committee on Appropriations. So I would also not want that to hinder all of the other members to ask their questions pertaining to the 2026 fiscal year budget. So if we can get back to you on that, again, I can also ask the COMSEC to sit down and tackle the request, which we will put under consideration.
So, Madam Chair, I don't need to sit down with the COMSEC. I am just requesting that each and every member of the House be given the copy of the small committee report wherein makikita po kung saan po nagbawas kasi walang madadagdag kung walang binawas. So yun lang po ang hinihingi ko, pakita lang kung saan binawas at saan dinagdag. Yun lang ang hinihingi ko. And hindi naman po pwede ngayon lang yan gagawin kasi public record yan eh. And I'm sorry to disagree, but public funds is not an internal matter. Di ba kaya nga natin ginawang transparent to because it's not internal. Pag nagtanong tayo tungkol sa pera ng taong bayan, every question is valid and every question is a public matter. It is not an internal matter dahil pera po ito ng taong bayan.
The procedural point is what's considered as an internal matter. Again, we maintain that the output of the small committee is included in the HGAB.
Hindi po. Pero nakasulat po ba sa HGAB kung saan binawas at saan dinagdag? Yun na lang po tatanungin ko, Madam Chair.
Pwede pong silipin yung difference ng GAB as filed versus HGAB. Pero dun po sa mismong forma na HGAB, hindi po nakalagay yung mga delta doon. But if you would really want that, to look into the differences, you can compare HGAB as filed for first reading vis-a-vis what's what's transmitted in the Senate.
Madam Chair, 7,000 pages po yun. Paano ko naman babasahin yun? Doon nga sa BICAM, di ba ang ginawa nila, sinamarize nila at sinabi po nila kung ano yung binawas at ano yung dinagdag. So bakit hindi po natin magawa yun? Di ba 7,000 pages, babasahin natin isa-isa tapos hahanapin natin alin yung tumaas, alin yung bumaba. Sa BICAM po, ang ginagawa po nila, sinasummarize, nakasulat po doon. And ang balita ko sa Senate, gagawin nila is aalamin kung sino yung nag-introduce ng bawas at sino yung nag-introduce ng dagdag. And I hope the same will be done in the House, Madam Chair.
Noted on that, we will take that into consideration as we move forward with the reforms for the budget deliberations for the 20th Congress.
Last question, Madam Chair. What will be the participation of the civil service, the CSOs, the NGOs, and the POs doon sa ano?
I will revert back to, I will respond to this question, but this would be the last question with the indulgence of Honorable Chanco. So they will be engaged as non-voting observers in all of the committee hearings. So they have full access to committee hearings and essentially all the deliberations of the Committee on Appropriations as well as the plenary deliberations. And we also have a People's Budget Review wherein that's a day where they can present all of their suggestions and their queries with regard to the 2026 budget.
Madam, bakit pag ako nagsasalita, pati yung sagot ng chairman, tumatakbo yung oras ko?
This is an extension na po.
Yeah,
a while ago, the countdown was in accordance to the length of your questions lang po.
Yes, Congressman Erice was given 3.49 minutes extension. I was stopped at 2 minutes. So last question po. So any CSO, any NGO, any PO who wants to join and volunteers to join will be welcome. Kahit sino po. Wala tayong pipiliin.
Again, last question na po talaga. I will revert back to this because it's public knowledge already. The accreditation guidelines for CSOs who would want to engage in the budget process has been publicized by the task force, by the Office of the Secretary General. So all interested parties who would want to apply may go through that accreditation process. My apologies, Representative Chanco. This is the last question. The COMSEC may also now furnish you with the accreditation guidelines.
Yeah, okay. So that's my last question, but I just want to manifest 5 minutes has passed and the small committee report has not been sent to any of the members. That's on record, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Representative Chanco.